AMD Strix Halo APU details leak, twice as big as Strix Point, powerful RDNA 3.5 APU, up to 120 watts TDP, coming to Asus ROG Flow Z13 in 2025. AMD's Strix Halo APUs for enthusiast mobile platforms have been further detailed in a new leak which points at some interesting aspects of the chip. AMD Strix Halo APU leak reveals huge RDNA 3.5 APU, LPDDR5 x8533 memory support, up to 120 watts TDPs. The latest details come from multiple blog posts by thermal engineer and specialist Samjay Unway who has worked on developing a new cooling solution for the Asus ROG Flow Z13, 2025, PC tablet. This semi-tablet and semi-laptop design will be a powerful device with lots of performance thanks to the AMD Strix Halo APUs incorporated within it. AMD Ryzen 9 7900 by 3D dropped down to an unbelievable price of $278 US. 12 cores with 3DV cache. So let's start with the AMD Strix Halo die. Actual measurements of the Strix Halo package and each of the dies are provided. The entire chip is made of up 3 chiplets which include 2 Zen 5 CCDs and a singular GPU die featuring the I/O and memory controllers. The Zen 5 CCDs measure 66.345 square millimeters and 70.6 square millimeters if you include the die stiffeners. The CPU packages feature 8 cores per CCD for up to 16 cores and 32 threads based on the Zen 5 architecture. We also recently covered an 8-core Strix Halo configuration with up to 5.36 GHz clocks. The APU die measures 19.18 by 16.02 millimeters or 307 square millimeters, which is larger than the whole Strix Point APU, which measures 232.5 square millimeters. This is as big as a discrete GPU, and we know why. The APU would be packing up to 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units, which should offer some hefty performance. For the whole Strix Halo die, the dimensions are 24.04 mm by 19.78 mm, which equals 475.31 square millimeters, making it almost twice as large as the Strix Point APU. The bigger die is listed as the IOD, and it is listed with a hotspot temperature of 86.6 C, which means that it won't be the Zen 5 CCDs but the RDNA 3.5 APU, which will be the most power-hungry and thermal-intensive die on this chip. In the power breakdown, the different chiplets of the AMD Strix Halo APU are also detailed. Both Zen 5 CCDs, CCD0 and CCD1, have a maximum rated power of 15 watts each or 30 watts in total. The IOD, which houses the RDNA 3.5 APU along with I/O controllers, is rated at 72 watts. The SODIMM memory is rated at 13 watts. So in total, you are looking at around 115 watts for the chip along with DRAM, but the memory won't be a non-package design but rather the standard SODIMM configurations. These will come in 32 GB and up to 128 GB flavors. Furthermore, the FP11 socket is also confirmed once again through official AMD documentation. At least 3 configurations of the AMD Strix Halo APUs are mentioned, ranging from 55 watts, 85 watts and up to 120 watts. These configurations can be equipped with 32 GB, plus 5 to 9 watts, and up to 128 GB, plus 10 to 13 watts, memory. The memory type supported by Strix Halo is both SODIMM and LPDDR5X with up to 8533 mount S speeds and 256-bit channels. As for the APU, the AMD RDNA 3.5 solution with up to 40 compute units is compared to an Intel Raptor Lake and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GN21 chip, which also comes in 115 watts solutions. It is interesting to see the comparison between a high-end mobile discrete GPU, and there's no doubt that AMD will push the boundaries of what's achievable with an integrated graphics solution in a chiplet design. The design listed in the leak is going to be one of Asus's top ROG solutions, the ROG Flow Z13, which is both a tablet and a laptop. The 2025 design will feature a lot of thermal enhancements such as a vapor chamber with 1.3 mm thickness, 2 cooling fans with up to 2000 RPM, proper ventilation, and the ability to run AMD's Strix Halo APUs at their full 120 watts configurations in a 13-inch design. AMD's Strix Halo APUs are expected to launch in 2025 alongside several other Zen 5 mobile products such as Fire Range and Kraken Point. These products will be incorporated in several laptops, tablets, handhelds, and mini PCs throughout the coming year, so expect lots of cool and innovative designs such as the ROG Flow Z13 next year.